How to fix Facebook featured photos. In today's video, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then open apps option, hit on apps option, search for Facebook. Open Facebook now, and what's next? You have to go to permissions, go to camera, allow only while using the app, go back and click on files and media, and you have to allow access to media only, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.